guys, today we are going to draw a shark. But before we start, please hit that subscribe button. Let's get bring on to Vinnie.
Alright guys, so this is the finished shark that we're going to be drawing today. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is the basic outline of the shark. And although this can be done by beginners, some of these things can be tricky, so at any time feel free to pause to catch up with me. And comment below to tell me how yours came out. And let's get started. So to start, we are going to make his nose, and then we're going to come down like that. And now I'm going to make the shape of his mouth. Yep, like that. And then now I'm just coming down and making my way to the tail. So I'm just making the tail shape. This is all just the basic shape right now. And then later I'm going to go in and add some detail. And then there's a little fin right there, and I'm kind of making my way back up. Another fin. And then one bigger one up here, like that. Right here, I'm just making one small fin and then his large top fin. So now I'm making his one big mean eye. Then I'm gonna make the details around his mouth, which you could also call his lips, just like that. And now I'm just making some lines. Right here is the gills.
Hey, those look like little mustaches.
Yeah, they kind of do. And there'll be 4 of these on the shark's side. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the teeth, which are sharp, but since shark teeth aren't a perfect triangle, I'm just making them slightly curved. And I think this helps make the shark look a little bit scarier. And then once you're done with the top, now we're going to do the bottom. So just going in and making the curved triangle shapes until you get to the end of the mouth. So right here, I'm just adding in just the last couple lines, like that. And now, I think I need to do this fin. So now these last lines I'm making are just to define the color of the shark and make it more accurate, since sharks are typically colored a lot darker on the top of the body and they are much lighter on the bottom part. So I'm just continuing the line all the way down and to his tail and also his fins. Alright, so now I'm just going to add in a couple more lines and we're done. What do you guys think?
This is going to be the coolest shark you've ever seen. Okay guys, it's my favorite time to color in fast mode. 3, 2, 1, go. Check it out, guys. Tell us how your shark came out. See you later. Bye.